This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove tab groups from the Bookmarks bar on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. If you look up here at my Bookmarks bar, you can see I have tab groups up here in the left-hand corner. I have 2 tab groups, and then I have the tab groups button. If I click on that button, I can create a new tab group. It also displays my tab groups in here. To remove that from your Bookmarks bar, I'm going to show you 2 different ways. It's very simple. The first way would be to go to one of your bookmarks here, any one of your bookmarks. You want to right-click on the bookmark. Then you'll go down to where it says Show Tab Groups. As you can see, I have a check mark next to Show Tab Groups. My tab groups are being displayed. I'm going to click on Show Tab Groups. Now my tab groups and the tab groups button has disappeared. Now to bring it back, you just repeat the same steps. I'm going to right click on any one of my bookmarks. I'm going to go back down to where it says Show Tab Groups. I'm going to click on it again. Now my tab groups and the tab groups button is being displayed again. Another way to remove it is to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now under Settings, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, right down here, Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks. As you can see, I currently have it enabled, but if I toggle that off, now the tab groups have disappeared from my Bookmarks bar. If I toggle it back on, that is how to remove the tab groups from the Bookmarks bar in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.